Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to download QGIS for the first time. It's quick, easy and completely free. First, open your browser and go to the official QGIS website qgis.org. Always download from the official source to stay safe. Then, click on the download button. You will see options for different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Choose the one that matches your computer. For beginners, I recommend the long-term release LTR version. It's more stable, but if you want the latest features, go for the latest release. Click the appropriate installer and your download should begin. Once it's done, open the installer and follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. Click on downloads. You can see downloaded QGIS. Then open it in a folder. After that you can copy which location you want in your laptop or computer. Here I am cut and paste to desktop for easy access. Then click on that. It will show preparing to install. Then click on next. Then tick the I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. Again next. Installation will start. After that click on finish. You can see the folder in desktop. Because I copied downloaded QGIS into desktop. Open that folder. Here you can see QGIS tools. For easy opening of QGIS, minimize the screen, drag the QGIS desktop to laptop desktop. After some time, we can see this folder in QGIS symbol. Click on that folder and that's it. QGIS is now installed on your computer or laptop. In the next video, I will show you how to open it and get started with your first map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post new QGIS tutorial.